Talking to a spokesperson for the Japanese Prime Minister, and she had some very strong words to say about this Chinese announcement, saying it was profoundly dangerous and threatened the status quo in that part of the East China Seas. Let's take a listen to exactly what she said.
Again, Chinese government seems to try to destabilize the situation by making this kind of new move inch by inch, so that they try to dilute the administrative control of Japan. Yet Japanese government is ready to respond to this kind of provocative act of Chinese side in a resolute yet calm manner.
But as David suggested, the real issue probably is not in the air, it's down on the ground. And what the Japanese government fears is that this announcement by the Chinese is a statement that they're going to push further their claims to the so-called Senkaku Islands, which right now are under Japanese national sovereignty. Now, what are those islands? Well, in the late 1960s, it was identified that there may be some oil and gas deposits there. There's certainly no commercial drilling there right now. Commercial shipping lanes pass by those islands. A lot of the Japanese fishermen say they're not really interested in the fish there. It's too far away from the coast. The islands themselves, really, in terms of surface area, are less than twice the size of New York's Central Park. But certainly it is an issue of national pride for the Japanese. We've also heard this statement by analysts that this new announcement by the Chinese could lead to some kind of confrontation or certainly aerial confusion, whereby Japanese planes could collide with Chinese planes in a disputed airspace. But already the Japanese have an air defense identification zone in place, and already, according to the Japanese Defense Ministry, Japanese fighter jets scramble on average once a day to intercept unidentified Chinese aircraft flying into their zone. So that already suggests that there's a certain level of knowledge and coordination how to carry out these intercepts on a daily basis. Those generally don't lead to a major military or diplomatic incident, Rosemary.
And Carl, just interested to get reaction from Japanese airlines, because of course they fly over these disputed islands, and what safety concerns might there be as well?
Yeah, they certainly do, and the routes affected there really are the flights that leave from Japan flying to Hong Kong and the flights that leave from Japan to fly to Taiwan. Now, initially at the start of the week, the Japanese airlines were sending in